Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Omar bin Ismail. My metric number is A170394. I would like my audience to have more interest in hiking. So, do you guys know about the definition of hiking? I believe that all of us want to know the definition of hiking. Hiking is an outdoor activity which consists of walking in natural environment, often in mountainous or other scenic terrain. People often hike in hiking trail. It is such a popular activity that there are numerous organizations worldwide. Studies have confirmed the health benefit of different type of activity, including losing excess weight, decrease hypertension, and improve mental health. I need all of us to imagine ourselves walking through the wilderness. Yes, like Jumanji's Part 2. Do you guys watch this movie? I love that movie. So let I continue our mind travel. Imagine ourselves walking through the wilderness, the leaf crunching underneath our feet, birds singing in distance, squirrel playing at the tree. Most importantly, smell of the natures. Are you in a happy place? Yes, this is my happy place. There are many benefits in hiking that we have to know. Physically, the benefits of hiking are numerous. Getting outside for even a short hike regularly can reduce our risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Hiking also helps to prevent diabetes. Hiking makes ourselves strongly mentally and physically. It doesn't just work our leg, clambering over uneven surface and navigating our way around rock, fallen tree, and over tree road engage our core and work our upper body for a true holistic workout. Hiking also can contribute to our overall mental health. So, I will explain for more detail about hiking. Firstly, hiking reduces stress and clear our mind. I believe that everyone life are busier than ever. We have full social calendar and everyday life is enough to keep us at permanent level of stress. So, going for hike reduce our blood pressure and producing a climbing effect that only nature can offer to us. Secondly, getting out into natures decrease negative thinking that play over and over in our head, such as disappointing moment that we go through in our days. We should never underestimate the happiness effect of being outdoor. Other than that, hiking improves sleep qualities. Do you guys know that climbing over uneven terrain uses 28% more energy than walking over flat ground? The result? Yes, absolutely, we will get better sleep. Finally, hiking reduces anxiety and depression. Hiking has been proven to reduce anxiety by quietening the mind and allow us to zone in our breathing to a part of meditative state. For natural stress relief and instant mood boost, I suggest we move our head into outdoor. The conclusion that I made is hiking get us more lively than life that we go through nowadays. We will get to know about nature that have been given to us. That's all from me. Thank you for lend me your ears.